You invest in traditional and digital advertising while dedicating hours to tweaking your strategy in hopes of boosting your return on investment. You do all of this while trying to keep up with the latest trends and watching your budget like a cartoon villain. Wouldn't it be nice to have a go-to tactic that's both high quality and enriches the lives of your core audience? Something you can definitely recycle without fear of message going stale or your engagement tapering off. That's why you need branded content. And here's why you need it now. Number one is trust. You need branded content specifically because it isn't selling to your audience. Branded content is sharing and teaching. You're adding value to someone's life. In many cases, you're creating opportunities for your current and future customers to experience something that benefits them before even buying your product or converting in some other way. And that's going to build trust. Branded content earns you fans, and you need fans to thrive in the long term. Number two, audience retention. Your ad may be great, but it's still an ad. You're going to need to expose people to it over and over, hammering them with your message until you finally hook them. And does breaking your customers' resolve sound like a great way to start a long-term relationship? Branded content, on the other hand, lets you create stories people remember. That's not suggesting you need to choose one over the other. In fact, you probably need both. And studies show you need fewer touch points for branded content to be effective than an ad. A 2016 study showed brand recall was 59% higher on branded content when compared to ads. Number three, you have to stand out. And as a marketer, attention is the scarcest of all the commodities you chase. Branded content gives you an opportunity to show why you're different, taking chances you wouldn't in your ads while telling great stories. It also takes a bit of the pressure off from figuring out how to translate a captivating story into a sales pitch. If you're honest, if you're different, you can really see how your values and beliefs start drawing the interests of your target audience. Number four, you need to share your purpose. It's not enough to sell a product anymore. People want to know what your brand stands for, and they want to know the stories behind those values. Your millennial audience and its ever-increasing buying power cares a lot about how brands act and want to engage with socially conscious brands. Take Nike with the Colin Kaepernick campaign, Patagonia with their relentless environmental advocacy, or Dave's Killer Bread with their push behind second chance employment for people with criminal records. All three brands have a proven product, but they also recognize the need to have a great story to tell too. Number five, you can expand your marketing funnel without disturbing your traditional base. Let's say your ads are converting at a great rate and your customers remember your logo, and they know where to buy your product. That is all great when the economy is on solid ground, but it's often not going to let you expand your message with the long-term goal of converting new customers beyond your traditional base. Branded content gives you a chance to talk about things your audience cares about without disrupting your other tested and trusted communication streams. Number six, why just create Fomo for a product when you can do it for your entire brand? Exclusive branded content can be a powerful tool. Think about how many people will knock over a family member at a sporting event just to get some free swag out of a t-shirt cannon. Now imagine providing exclusive content or access to private message boards just for your true believers, rewarding them for their loyalty and increasing the chance they'll evangelize on your behalf, whether that's a social media share or word of mouth to their friends. Why stop at turning your audience into customers when you can expend the extra effort and make them lifelong fans?